right, so we're going to move the 8 over to the other side. And then you have to do what's called complete the square. So when I complete the square, I draw a square. You don't have to, but when I complete the square, I draw a square. Because I'm a visual person, and it helps you remember what I'm doing. I'm completing the square. To complete the square, what you're trying to do is you're trying to make this a perfect square trinomial. To make it a perfect square trinomial, you have to know what number goes in here. So this factor is to be 2 factors that are exactly the same. But to get that, it is 9. To get that, if you're not sure, because they're not always so easy, to get that, you take the middle number, which they usually call it b, and you divide it by 2, and then you square that answer. So we'll do 6 divided by 2 and squared. So I get 3 squared, which is 9. But this is an equation. I can't just add 9 to one side. Add it to the other side. That's what the other box is for. You got to add the same thing on both sides. So on the left side, this is now a trinomial that factors to a perfect square. It factors to x plus 3 squared. And that's just factoring. But that was the whole purpose of us putting that 9 in there, so it will factor a perfect square. Once you've gone to this step, we have done complete the square, and everything else from there is just solving an equation. So how do I solve this equation? What? That was like very whispery. I couldn't understand. What? Yeah. Okay, so we want to undo the last thing done to the x. How do you undo a squared? You square root both sides. So we'll square root both sides. And if you square root, you got to do something else.
Plus or minus.
Mm-hmm. So now I have x plus 3. I don't need parentheses. Equals plus or minus square root 17. Now what do I do?
Minus 3.
Subtract the 3. But I cannot subtract 3 from a square root. So we just put it in front. And I don't know what the square root of 17 is, so I leave it as the square root of 17. So our answer is negative 3 plus or minus square root of 17. There's 2 answers. One is negative 3 plus square root of 17. The other is negative 3 minus square root of 17. So that is solving the equation by complete the square. The biggest thing that you will be doing in the next chapter is to the scarred part. We might go further, but for the most part, it's just complete the square part. All right, next one. We'll add a little trick to it. What should we do first?
Draw squares.
Nope. Add the 10. Now I'll draw my squares. So how do I know what goes in the square? 5 divided by 2 squared. 5 divided by 2 is not an even number. So no, oh, no. Where then is my hand? How do I square 5 divided by 2? You square the top and you square the bottom. You get 25 over 4. Then we factor it. I know the first term is going to be x, and this is plus 5x, so I know it's going to be a plus. To get what goes in this spot, it's just the number before you squared it. So it's 5 over 2. So it's the b over 2 that goes in that spot. On the other side, I'm not going to take my calculator out. I'm going to just change 10 so it has a denominator of 4. 40 over 4 plus 25 over 4 is 65 over 4.